Hey guys, what's up? In this very short tutorial, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can add a watermark to your documents in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Alright, so what you want to do first, guys, is head over to the Insert section here at the top menu, and here to the right, select text box. Next, mark the area here in your document where you'd like to place your watermark. Don't worry, you can adjust its size and position later. For example, place it here, next, or behind your text or your data here. So what you want to do, guys, is click on your text box and type in the text for your watermark. Like, for example, I will go with watermark like confidential. Mark the text, adjust the size, for example, and also the font color. Let me go with a red text color, just like that. You can also use bold letters or italic letters or underlines and so on and so forth. All right, so before you move your watermark here to your data to the left, make sure that you apply a couple of settings. So what you want to do, guys, is while having your text box selected, head over to shape format here at the top and click on shape fill here and select no fill from that drop down menu. Do the same with shape outline below. So click on it and select no outline. And after that, last but not least, make your watermark transparent. To do that, right click on your text, and after that, select format shape from that drop down menu. After that, here to the right, you see that text options features, so go to it, expand the text fill feature here below and set a higher transparency. You can play around with the slider here, like for example with transparency of, let's say, 50%. And once that's done, guys, you can adjust the position of your watermark. For example, place it here on, or I should better say behind your data, behind your text. As you can see, it blends pretty much into the environment. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.